Hey everybody, so for today's tutorial, we're going to be figuring out how to make some unique ear savers. So since we've been having to wear a mask basically all day, every day to keep each other safe at school, sometimes the straps around our ears make them start to ache a bit. So I had seen how some people have made some, and I came up with some ideas using things that I have just around the house. So hopefully they'll help you out. And they'll not only save your ears, but sometimes they help your mask fit better, especially if you've got straps that are too long or whatever. So for example, here is a mask that I have. For me, because I have kind of a taller, less big around head, the ear straps are a bit too big. If I just put them on my ears normal, there's a lot of empty space here. So I could take and tie just a little loop around each one, but that might kind of hurt my ears a little bit. So another way to go about it is to just use one of these regular run-of-the-mill paper clip. All you got to do is hook that around like so. And then bring it around. Whoops. I can get it on. Try that again. Bring it around your head like this and just hook it onto the paper clip. See how it takes the pressure off of my ears, but is still holding my mask the way I need it to be held. See, it's tight, it's fitted, it's covering my nose, my mouth, and my chin to keep me safe, but it is not hurting my ears at all. So that's one way, easiest way. If it's not quite big enough, you could always strap multiples together until it's the right length for you. And you could wear it up at the top of your head, behind your neck, whatever is most comfortable. Another thing is if you have a rubber band and a button, you can always strap some rubber bands through a button and add it to a hairband like so. And that way, hold on, I'm going to take the thingy off. You can just wrap the ear thingies around those buttons. See? And you could position them however you need to because it's just a rubber band. It's not like you can't take it off or adjust it. And see, once again, it's fitted more closely to my face. It's not hurting my ears at all. Okay. Another way is to use hair bows. These are the little elasticy tie hair bows that you can get almost anywhere. I ordered mine on Amazon, but I think you can get them at Dollar Tree. And you can just untie them, sew a couple of buttons, and just like we did with the paper clip, you just hook it around one button, wraps around your head however is most comfortable for you, and hooks on the other button like this. Not bad. If you're a little more adventurous, feel like adding some more decorations here or want to make it more adjustable, you could even add some more buttons so that if it's too loose here, you can just move it to the next button and so on. And then this one is my favorite if you want to get a little more creative and you've got some extra material laying around, maybe a sock in your sock basket that has been lacking a match for who knows how long, you can sort of repurpose it and turn it into your very own ear saver. Now, I've made some that are just straight across rectangles with two buttons on either end to kind of practice sewing if you haven't done that before. Or you can get a little more creative and try and make ear savers that look like objects or animals. This is a little panda I made. It's my favorite, not just because I love pandas and it's precious, but also because I was able to play with layering some buttons to get it to look the way I want to, and it's more adjustable. So if I need a looser fit, I can put it on these buttons that are a little further away. And if it needs to be tighter, I can put it on these buttons that are a little closer together. So those are some ideas I have. I hope they help you come up with some ideas of your own. And I would love to see what you come up with by leaving them in the comments below.